Discounts in 6Storage can either be added on a case-by-case basis to individual tenants or configured as a discount plan. To configure a discount plan, we can select the gear icon in the top right corner and select Financial Settings. To create a new discount plan, simply click the Add Discount in the top right. Here, we will be given the option to configure our plan. There are several required fields. The discount category will be what we plan to apply the discount to, such as rent, fees, services, or merchandise. The internal description will be for you in the admin portal, but the Rental Hub description will be displayed on your website. The discount can be applied date range will allow you to decide the period of time you're able to apply this discount to tenants. Discount type can be set to set months, recurring, or one time. Set months will allow you to pick a month the discount is applied to. This can be used for something like the first 3 months get 5% off. Recurring is an amount that will be taken off the invoice each month. And one time is a set amount that will be taken off of the next invoice. The discount termination date will be when a discount ends for a tenant that it is applied to. With a recurring discount, this discount will appear on each invoice until the set termination date. You can also set what facilities and unit types this discount can be applied to. You can also add a promo code that is usable on your website for anyone who types in the set word or phrase. These configured discounts can be applied to units in the Units page or tenants directly through Tenant Profile. And that's it. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.